Hello guys, welcome back to SmartTech Junction. If your Windows 10 product key is not working in Windows 11, don't worry, in this video I will show you all the working method to fix activation error and activate your Windows 11 successfully. So let's get started to the video. Most genuine Windows 10 key work perfectly fine on Windows 11. But if you see any error code or product key does not work on your Windows 11, it means the key may be OEM locked, already in use, or needs activation through the Microsoft account. To fix this issue, you can try this method. On your Windows 11, open the Windows settings, okay, and in the left panel go to accounts, and in the right panel open your info. Make sure you are signed in with your Microsoft account from where your product key was actually linked. If not, sign in. So just click on sign in option and you need to enter your Microsoft user ID and password and log in your Microsoft account. After logged in, Microsoft account automatically activate Windows if your key was previously linked to your account. Also, you can try some more step in the Windows settings only. In the left panel, open the system, and in the right panel scroll down, and here you can get the option activation. Just click on it, and in the activation screen here you can get one more option, troubleshoot. Windows will try to detect the license tied to your Microsoft account and reapply it automatically. Just need to follow the troubleshoot screen step by step. So also you can try the next method. Close the Windows settings, press the Windows key button, and here you need to type SLUI space 3. Hold shift key and then you need to press forward icon like this, okay, same as it is. You need to type and press enter. A window will open where you can enter your Windows 10 key manually. If you have the product key, so just enter your product key here manually and then click on next. Now it will activate your Windows 11. If the normal activation failed, you can try the next method. Press Windows key button once again, and here you need to type CMD, means command prompt, and open in Run as Administrator tab like this. And here you need to type some command. So as you can see guys in my screen, just you need to type the same command and hit enter from your keyboard. This forces Windows to attempt activation from Microsoft server, okay. So this method is very powerful. You need to try this. Still the problem is not solving. Some OEM key work only on original device. Check your key type by running this command, and here you need to type this command, okay, as you can see guys in my screen. So this all command you can also get in my video description box, so just you can use it from there. If you see OEM, it may not activated on a new device or different hardware. Retail key always work. You need to remember this thing, okay. Still the problem is same guys. If the key is genuine but still not activating, in the Google you need to search Microsoft support and then hit enter and open the first link, enter your Microsoft account, and from here you can easily able to find your solution 100% from here. So this is the last method, okay. So I have shown you 6 to 7 different method to fix this activation issue, okay. Any of will definitely work on your PC, and that's it. With this method you can fix and activate Windows 11 without error. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to SmartTech Junction. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.